means ABC.
Her ABC.
Her A.
Please make sure you say her ABC.
Yeah, so ABC. What's the meaning of ABC and where's the D, the following letters?
That will be the part 2.
Oh.
Well, ABC of my music, the choices of just this particular show, ABC means my chosen singers, composers. Kasi 1.5 to 2 hours lang naman this show, diba? So, ABC pala, which is the basic of what I love from other singers, from the people who have given me their compositions to record, my hits na ABC. Who composed a lot of my songs, yung I Think I'm in Love.
I love that.
Also, One More Try. Ano pa ba? Hello, marami pa. So, B naman, we're doing some Barbra Streisand songs. I've not sang a lot of Barbra Streisand songs recently, so that's my past. And so because it's my basic, that's the artist that I really looked up to when I was just starting. And then C, marami rin. Karaseco, Kayabyab, marami pa. Secret na. Gawa akong immoral na sasabihin ako. Meron akong pasabog kasi when I got pregnant, talaga nagpa-concert ako at sinabi ko, I'm pregnant, you know. Siyempre, na front page yata ako. Well, hindi naman pasabog, but I'm bringing someone who is a surprise guest.
Being here, thank you all for coming here in Winford. It's an honor to be performing for Miss Koo and all of you guys. And of course to Chef, thank you so much. God bless you. And sa lahat po ng mga sumuporta po sa amin since day 1, gusto natin po pasalamat sa inyo lahat. And of course, can't wait to perform for you guys on August 3. Watch out.
Coming out today, and I hope to see you on August 3rd. I can't wait to sing for all of you, and I can't wait to sing alongside Miss Koo, Nathan, and to perform with Sir Direct. Not perform with on stage, but, perform for. So yes, be directed by. So thank you so much for coming, and I hope to see you there.
No, I hope when they do it, that they will, do justice to it. Because it's not for me, it's for them, and also for the composer. So, maganda naman yung mga naririnig ko. Kahit may dito pa rin, di ba, si Guy? Si Guy dito ba? Parang somebody did dito ba?
Sherry Grace.
Sherry. Okay. Hindi ko pa naririnig yung iba. Pero like till I met you, maganda yung rendition ni Regine. Si Regine pa, hindi naman, she never fails, to amaze us.
Pati yung mga songs ko yung kalamitan na ginagamit din sa mga series mga
Yes. We have a new song that I recorded, which is yung I Love You, actually originally by Willie Revillame. Pero if you hear the original of Willie Revillame, I Love You, it's so far from what I did. Si nag-produce pa rin because he composed it for him. Si Benny Saturno. It's a beautiful song. Ang ganda ng lyrics.
Saan po siya ginamit siya?
Hindi pa. We're also doing a video. Mamaya we'll play it back.
Excited to be performing with the diva herself, Miss Kuladesma.
And Nathan, would you like to say something? Of course, just good afternoon to everyone. Thank you all for being here. We're just going to try to prepare a very special song. Of course, God bless everyone, the production team, and of course to Miss Kuladesma herself. And thank you all for being here, of course.
To God all be the glory. It's a dream come true, and I pray for this. I love Kuladesma so much, and thank you for this opportunity to direct the undisputed diva. Clap your hands, guys. Thank you, David, and thank you, Nathan.
To be successful in this career. I'm actually very happy that you're part of the show. We've done so many shows together, and he's always done a good job. And I've heard you, sing in Hacienda. Nagulat na kami kasi very talented. Ayan. And he's had a lot of practice. Di ba you have a cafe or something, a bistro?
Yes, we used to have a lounge, a bistro where I would sing in front of the customers. Recently it's not, we gave it away. But it's still an operation, yeah, and sometimes we visit.
Okay.
Sabi, tatanong ko rin siya.
Alright, so I'm looking forward to our duets and your performances.
Let's ask for some closing remarks.
Anyway, at saka yung isa naman na in-offer sa akin, kontrabida. Ayaw na maging kontrabida. Mabait na ako eh.
Okay, so we're done.